welcome back to another Computer Sluggish video. Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified when I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to check out my social media channels. In today's video, I will be showing you how to hide icons on your desktop. As you can see, I have a few icons on my desktop here and I now want to hide it. A lot of people do like to hide their icons on their desktop just because it looks a lot cleaner. To do this, all you need to do is right click on an empty space on your desktop and then go down to View. You now need to untick Show Desktop Icons, and as you can see, the icons have now been hidden. If you want to show the icons again, all you need to do is the same again, right click, go down to View and then click on Show Desktop Icons, and that is it. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more Computer Sluggish tutorials. Don't forget to check out my social channels.